In this video I'm going to explain you how I use delta profiles for stocks. This chart shows a daily chart of a stock. The framed area, we see a first down move, which I mapped with the deltas on a horizontal base. As I see a strong delta spike in the middle, I'm going to extend this to see what happens when this price level is reached again. If this price level was reached again, the delta candles in the subchart show me absorption. The likelihood of another leg down is increased. After the next swing, I'm going to extend the delta profile and mark another pronounced delta spike. When the price reached this zone, we see absorption again in the subchart. The likelihood of a further decline is increased. Delta profiles can, among other tools, deliver useful information to evaluate the further course or direction of a stock